Charlie Cushane here to do another mod to my camper. This time we're taking a trip up north, and it gets quite cold up north, at least in northern Florida. It gets into the high 30s, low 40s, and we run our heat. And I want to insulate my skylight. So that's our project for today. Let's get started. Now, we have for years had these insulated pillows, I guess you'd call them, that fit right in here. They fit in beautiful. And whenever we're camping and it's going to be cold and we're running our heat, we always put these in. But they don't make one big enough for this odd-shaped skylight. So we're going to make that today out of some materials I have hanging around. So let's get started. My goal in building this is to make it one, light, because you don't want to have any more weight really, but two, I also want it to have some kind of insulating properties to block the heat from going up and through the skylight. So I bought a piece of reflective window cover. It's good for reflecting sun rays and everything, and it's foiled like on both sides. And I'm going to make a sandwich with this piece of, it's actually a piece of hurricane shutter you can get at Lowe's. It's 3 layers thick, as you see, and hollow. So not only is it light, but then that air that will get trapped in here will act as an insulator too. So this should be perfect. It's light, and it'll be good for the heat not getting through. So let's start cutting these up and putting them together. Okay, the next thing I want to do is wrap this with this actual reflective wind cover. And it looks like it completely covers it. This is like wrapping a Christmas present. And then I got some foil tape to put on this. There we go. Perfect insulated panel. One more detail to do. Okay, the last detail I want to do is add a couple of knobs right here. So when I press it in, I can pull it back out again easily. I found some I had laying around in a drawer, and they're nice, they're silver to match this. So I just need to drill a couple holes. Okay, I got some big washers, stainless steel. That's one. Now, let's go try it out, see if it fits. Okay, now for the final fit. When I put the other panels in their openings, I can now put this one in this opening. Fit it right in there, and it fits nice and snug, you can see. And then to take it out, I just grab these two knobs, goes right out. That is perfect. And this is a nice light panel, and it should give lots of good protection of not letting any heat go up. So this is a home run.